How to lock apps on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. Launch your Shortcuts app. You can get this app easy from the App Store. Open it. At the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of automation. Now click on this option of new automation. Scroll down, find the option app. Once you find it, open it. Now check in for the option run immediately. Click on choose. Now from here you have to choose the app that you want to lock. You can select multiple apps at the same time. If you want to do so, check in for other apps as well. I'm gonna lock Facebook and CapCut. Once you select the app, click on done. Now click on next. Click on new blank automation. Click on add action. Now over here type in lock. Click on this option lock screen. Click on done. With that you have just locked the app. Now you can close this and try to open your app that you have locked. It will require the Face ID. So this is how you can easily lock any app on iPhone after iOS 17 update. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.